everybody, my name is Jessie for Construction Foundation, and this video is all about the final step in a design thinking process, the sharing of the work. So this is for students, for teachers, for any instructors who have gone through the process or led a group of students through a design challenge, and you're wanting to plan how to share that project at the end. You're also maybe wanting to use it as a bit of an assessment tool for the students. So if you teach ADST, maybe you're a middle school electronics teacher, maybe you're a high school woodworking instructor, you can use design challenges to teach other subjects like math and science, but this is straight from the BC curriculum for teaching applied design skills and technologies. So we've developed a bunch of different resources for teachers. They're all available on our Skills Ready website. And if you are curious about taking a group of your students and leading them through a design challenge, go to the Skills Ready website and check out some of our resources. We have a lesson for every step of a design challenge, and starting with empathizing, going through defining parameters, all of those things, and lots of fun ideas of things that you can do with your students. So I'm going to lead you through an example design challenge here, and we're going to talk about all the different ways that you can share your project. The kids get really excited about this final step. They're really proud of their work. So let's say that my design challenge that I start with is that my friend is having trouble finding sunglasses that fit his nose. They just don't really work. And he wants a new pair of sunglasses. And I'm in woodwork. I would love to make him a new pair of sunglasses. So this is my design challenge, make a new pair of sunglasses for my friend. Step one, I'm going to empathize with my friend. I'm going to maybe measure some parts of his face. I'm going to ask him what kind of sunglasses styles he likes, what kind of lenses he wants, all that fun stuff. And then I'm going to go and define some parameters for that. How will I know that my project is a success? Whether he's able to wear them and likes them, maybe that they hold together. What else? Other parameters could be, I'm going to make them out of wood and maybe a pair of old sunglasses that the lenses popped out. I can use those lenses in them. So after I've defined the parameters, I'm going to come up with some ideas. I'm going to ideate. I'm going to sketch a bunch of different ideas, and then I'm going to pick the best one and move ahead with that. Step 4, I'm going to make a prototype of them. Maybe I'll use some wire, some pipe cleaner, come up with a design that I think that my friend might like, make it, and then I'm going to test that. I'm going to take it to my friend, have him try them on, see if he likes them. He'll probably have a giggle because they're made of pipe cleaners, but see if they actually fit. And once I've got a little bit of feedback from my friend about the style or the fit, and then I'm going to actually make the final version. I'm going to go to the tools. I'm going to get excited about using a bandsaw because I have a purpose for it. It's a really fun way to get kids excited about why they need to learn the tools. And then the final step is sharing the project. So I'm going to present these sunglasses to my friend, maybe say bon voyage, off he goes on his road trip with a brand new pair of sunglasses. As a teacher, I want my students to have that moment of sharing the project, and I also want them to articulate the process that they went through. Part of the ADST curriculum is it requires that students demonstrate their project and describe the process. So they're actually needing to choose the appropriate tools, technology, and materials, and justify their choices on that. So one really great way to do that is have them make a how-to tutorial all about their project. It articulates the process, and you get a really fun product out of the end. So I encourage you to maybe show the students this part of the video, take them through our Skills Ready website. We've got a whole bunch of projects on there that use this process of making a tutorial. So show your kids one of the project. Maybe there's a wooden loom project on there that's really fun. You're going to show them that there's a final cover photo of the project. You've got a project description telling the people who might want to make it what it is and different ways that you can use it. So you've got a project description, you got some photos, and then you go straight into the tools list. You've got a materials list where you describe the different materials that you use, the amounts and the dimensions that you'll need, and then a clear step-by-step procedure steps on how someone can make this project. So this, if you show students this before they even start the design challenge, then they've got the time and the motivation to take process photos and maybe little videos along the way. And you could require that at the end they make a 5-minute video of showing the process of how they designed and made this product. You could make a compilation of those and show them for the school. You could have them submit it to our website and give that a shot. So the great part about having them know that they're doing a tutorial at the end of it is that it will encourage them, it will give them a justification for noting down all of their procedure steps, their tool choices, any iterations and changes that they make. You can encourage them to take photos and videos as they go along so that they can save their sketches and notes and articulate that whole process. And at the end, maybe make a 5-minute compilation of those, include their sketches and their drawings, and then post that somewhere so that other people know how to make their projects. So maybe they've made something really cool, like a nesting box for a type of local endangered bird, and they want to encourage more people in the community to make them. Or maybe they've come up with an amazing invention, like a humane mouse trap that uses a magnet and a reed switch and an electronic trap door or something. Sharing that work with the community, within their family, sharing it with the world is really important. It's a really important step of this design process. You might even get them excited about putting their little products into production and selling them at a local market or something. Anyway, one thing that when I ask a tradesperson what their favorite part of the job is, they often answer being able to walk through a community and show other people the things that they've built and share those things that they've made with the community and with the world. Lots of people talk about the hospitals that they've helped build and the schools they've helped build and the bridges, the infrastructure and the services around them that contribute to the community. So getting students to share their work kind of gives them a little taste of what it actually is like in a career to be helping people and helping build a community around them. So if you have questions about this process, please shoot me an email, jessie@constructionfoundation.ca. Check out our Skills Ready website with all of our design thinking lessons to help you lead a group of students through that process. And get out there, make some design challenges for your students and have fun. And I would love to hear about all the different activities that you do with them and see their final work, their final how-tos. All right, have fun out there.